up if you ready. Hands up if you ready. Say it loud if you ready. This all time we run it. Clap your hands if you ready. Stomp your feet if you ready. Let it be cause you ready. This all time we run it. Back on top feeling great. Back on top in the ranks. One shit one, number one, not the mother ones. Other ones feel fake.
Na ile walk.
Masosha kuhle ngiyajabula ukuba khona la namhlanje after a long time since sagcina ukuba newalk eGauteng. So ngijabule kakhulu angikwazi nokuzibamba.
Ngijabule kakhulu ukuwalka namhlanje ngelanga elikhulu lokuzalwa kwenkosi yamakhosi omoya. I'm very proud ukuthi nami ngiyiphathi yewalk.
Ingase lento yenziwe every day mihla namalanga sihlale sisenza kanje. Sibonakalise isizwe sokuthi thina abantu bangamasoja simanyene sibumbene sikwinto eyodwa. Ngiyabonga baba ngempintaso yakho.
From i-COVID asikwazanga ukuwalka iminyaka yonke namhlanje sikwazile. Ngijwayele ukuhamba ngiyayithanda iwalk. Yiyona nto engingakhethanga ukuthi ngiyogibela ibhasi. Akakhulu bungane. Akhulu.
Healthy mind, healthy spirit, healthy well-being. Thank you.
Ngikhuthaza wonke amasosha nalawa engezanga ukuthi next time please just make sure ukuthi you are here with us because you are missing out.
To know ya. Hey na 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 na. Delve into emotion. Leave us in this moment.
Kumnandi yo senzi omama yo plan sazobona umhlolo siyakho phambili sikula siyakhona.
njengoba bengishilo kulo muntu wami engifuna ukumthola la ngiyathemba ukuthi siyafika phambili ngizobe sengimtholile isosha lami.
are privileged abantu be special need namhlanje ukuthi I disability month si share nenkosi yamakhosi yomoya utata wethu uBhungane umthimkhulu umakhulukhulu siyabulela ngelanga la namhlanje ukuthi ku recognize abantu be special need ekhayeni lomoya we want to break through the curse or we want to break through into abayibiza istigma ukuthi umuntu odisable ngumuntu ongakwazi ukuzenzela into ngumuntu okumele aphile ngokucela sinike iopportunity likhaya lethu lomoya sizawuyenza lonto ngokuzimisela sibonisa abantu ukuthi idisability is not a death sentence umuntu onedisability uyakwazi ukuphila umuntu onedisability uyakwazi ukusebenza umuntu onedisability uyakwazi ukurana ibusiness.
I am honored to have been invited here today, Gule Walk, the health walk. I said in the statement, SCC Fundile, e Parliamente Gule Vegi, this is not just a walk. This is about social cohesion. This is about bringing together abantu from all the corners of Gauteng and the corners from other provinces. This is about ukubuyisela ubuntu ebantwini. Siphila kwizwe babkhadebe eselahlekelwe ubuntu. Siphila kwilizwe lapho umuntu mayibona umuntu kumele abaleke omnye umuntu. Siyayibonga ke imisebenzi yakho especially sewuhulumeni ngokuncedisana nohulumeni ukubuyisa ubuntu ebantwini. Siyakubonga babkhadebe ngokuthi uqoqe umphakathi and build isizwe esidingwa isizwe sethu somzansi Afrika neAfrika yonkana ukuthi mawumuntu ufune kubuyisa ubuntu. And happy birthday to you. Wanga uThixo angakwandisela iminyaka yakho Bhungane Mthimkhulu ukhule ungakhokhobi ukhuliswe nesizwe sethu isizwe sasemzansi Afrika. I thank you.
Let me begin by saying well done to all of you. Well done for taking part in this peace and health walk. You deserve a deep, profound thanks from the citizens of Johannesburg and Gauteng and South Africa. Today I want to declare that this walk is the beginning of a new movement under our Dr. Radebe, everybody. You are the ones with us to change Johannesburg. And the man of God has shown us with such a powerful vision, lives can be changed.
It is such a joy to be here with you outside in fresh air, surrounded by hope, movement, and the beautiful sound of footsteps, united in peace and purpose. So this walk is not just a morning activity. It is a powerful message, a message that says health is not just in hospitals. It begins in our homes, in our communities, and on the streets where we walk together. Let me begin by commending Dr. S.B. Radebe Foundation and the Revelation Spiritual Home for this incredible initiative. I know that this initiative didn't start yesterday. We have been building it up, and we want to thank you. And you are not only encouraging people to be active, you are creating a safe, spiritual, and inclusive space that reminds us that it's important to be united as a community. As Gauteng Department of Health and Wellness, we strongly support such wellness activities. That is why we launched #AsibeHealthyGP. It's a campaign and it's a movement to get Gauteng moving, eating better, drinking more water, and taking care of mental, emotional, and social well-being. So we walk with love, walk with purpose. This morning, we walked with healing and walked knowing that Gauteng is here for us. Ubabu Radebe is here again to motivate us. So let's keep walking. Let us work towards peace, wellness, and Ubuntu.
We are very, very grateful to dignitaries that are here today. I think the MEC, Unobantu, we are grateful with the contribution from the Department of Health. They've contributed some stations and nama ambulances that are here today. We are befitting that because the city really and government should partner that because our initiatives are not self-centered. They are about the society and the community. So I have to mention that we are very grateful with Department of Health, MEC ebela Unobantu. We are very, very grateful for that. And I have to mention this because our brother, Nimbonile Bishop David, who is a chair of chairs in the legislature, really, Bantwana Bestunywa, he stood up and said, no, you want to do good. Why do things have to be difficult? And he had to step in and he had to assist because he knew our intentions and he knew the good things. So I really want to commend my brother Adams, Bishop Adams Lap, who was here today. He really supported us to make sure, he knows the work that we are doing. So thank you very much. I'm saying Guinea, thank you very much for supporter. Nibonili video. Through this, we'll be able to do more as a foundation. Help the destitute, help those who can't go to school. Umsebenzi foundation mkhulu kakhulu, and it's through you. No one supports us, but it's only through yourselves. So ukuza kwenu, well done. Ni supportile, ishayile nzana kakhulu. Well done. Sibonge kakhulu, and also happy birthday. When you lead, sometimes you forget about yourself. And for me now, birthday, I never spend it with my family. Logo, all my life, since I'm 16 years old, spend my birthday with people doing this, doing that. So it means a lot to me to spend this day with you. Isizwe esikhethiwe sikamoya. Indeed, blood is thicker than water, but spirit is thicker than blood. A spiritual bond is greater than a bond of blood or a physical bond. My birthday must be a blessing to the whole nation. So ngicela kumbambe, umhage, mase celebrate. Yo!
Hey, 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 hey.
Iyo masosha iyo! Iyo masosha iyo!
It's been a wonderful day full of activities. We have been celebrating birthday Nkosi yamakhosi omoya. It's been an amazing day and the weather was on our side, thankfully.
So this is not my first walk, health walk, the 2026 health walk. Ngaqala nayo since from inception, and this one has been the best health walk ever. Ikhaya lomoya likhulile. There's new things that esizitholayo ku health walk, from your activities to birthday Nkosi yomoya. I really enjoyed it.
Sijabule kumnandi. Si walk from eBhubesini to Johannesburg Zoo. Sinje si family kumnandi kuhle. Till we see you again next year.
The whole town was blue, like it was was so nice, guys. Yo, we did enjoy. Siyabonga ku SB Radebe Foundation for just giving us an opportunity. Okay, to some of us, it was our first time and we had a very great experience. Siyabonga.
Usuku lwambele uluhle kakhulu silana eJoburg Zoo Lake. Size ngeRadebe Foundation sizo celebrate njalo i-birthday yenkosi yamakhosi omoya njengoba lizibonela. We painted Joburg blue. Kumnandi.
Hey, Yami, what's up?